So, have you gotten a kill with that yet?
No, this is the first time I've been using it. But I was like, you know what? It would be fun, a bow and arrow.
Well, I did consider bringing one of the, what is that, nerf Firefly?
Yeah.
But the darts just keep falling out, so I didn't even bother. Although once it's springers only, ammo's for Nancy's.
I got this. I bet you I could use this.
Yeah, for springers definitely. This, not so much.
What? Come on, I think he can do it.
Plus, I got 4 more arrows in my pouch here.
If you get someone out, I'll buy you a soda.
I'm still going for it.
Jesus, man.
Oh, I missed.
Hang on. Was he in the,
There he goes.
was he in that storage container?
Oh, sorry.
Did you just hit Gotsman?
I'm gonna run the...
Yeah, go for it. Did you just kill him?
Well, he came out and shot me with an arrow. Yo, so close to hitting this guy.
Go. So. Oh, really? Guys, it's the guy with the arrow. It's the archer. The fact that there's a dead person and a glowing arrow sitting next to the corpse. I think that says enough. Hey, guys, he's over there. Dart! Nerf arrow!
You want to get shot?
Guys, there's someone right there. Hold on.
Alright, hang on. I'm gonna put it so you can see all the action.
Behind us, over there, over there.
Alright, go.
Hey,
Arrow.
Oh, no. I thought you were gonna shoot me.
No, I don't have a gun, remember?
That was good.
Here.
Thanks, man. Well,
Hearing that thing whirl by, man. The guy's right in there. Jesus Christ!
fuck you!
Enemies in there. Jesus, that cross arrow.
Fuck! What was this guy over here?
Nice shot. You got me.
Hung low. Oh my God!